Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 15 update with Anita. So how's it going, Anita, so far?
Good. It was a good week.
So we had unexpected obstacle a few weeks ago. That's why we're starting to change the approach and slow down on weight loss. That was a goal. Uh, so, but we already lost 1 pound last week, right? As of today, total weight loss, I think 33, which is not bad, right?
Yeah, I'm happy.
So, do you have confidence that, how is the confidence level in the coming maybe few weeks or maybe in the future, in a few months, when it comes to hitting your goal?
Oh, I feel very confident about it. I mean, right now, yes, I've had an unexpected obstacle, but that won't be forever, so I can get back at it hardcore and I can use all the tools that I have and get right back on track.
What is the chance that you will gain back, let's say a few months or a year from today, that you will gain back all the weight?
Oh, no.
Small chance?
There's no chance.
There is no chance.
No. I've already feel like my lifestyle has changed.
Yeah.
I'm thinking differently about food and about not just what I'm eating, but how I'm eating.
Yes.
So, no, there's no chance.
Yeah, because we were just discussing, that the previous approach you tried before, and you said it did work for a while, but it wasn't sustainable, right?
Not at all.
Right.
And I was not happy on it. I didn't feel full. I didn't feel satisfied. I felt like I was depriving myself of even basic nutrition.
Hunger was a big challenge.
Constant. Whereas this, never.
Yeah.
Like, that's the surprising part of it.
That's right. That like we learned how to lose weight, right? It's not that, like, it sounds difficult, right? People will not believe it's true.
Yeah.
But it's doable. It's really so easy. Like if you learn the science behind it, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
And that's why when we started this journey, we didn't jump into the diet, right?
Yes, thank goodness,
right?
because it would have been pretty scary.
Right. Because if you remember, what we started to learn about different type of schools of diets or different programs, that was almost at the end.
Yes.
In this
it
program,
was.
right? That was the last thing we were focusing on. We were focusing on how your body is gaining the weight, how to lose it, when they're losing, the benefits of fasting, different things. Then later on we start to learn about diet, right?
Right.
That's good. So, like I will, like at least you're in a maintenance mode. That's like right now, right? So let's wait for a few weeks and let's see if if it's possible just to lose some more weight. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Good. Thank you.